India's federal ruling Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP has criticized Pakistan National Security Advisor Sartaj Aziz for his statement on India-Pakistan talks. Aziz had said that his country does not expect resumption of dialogue with New Delhi while the Narendra Modi government is in power.
The BJP on Wednesday said Pakistan should shun sponsoring terrorism instead of blaming Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the breakdown of dialogue between the two countries. The party also said India is still open to resuming talks with Pakistan.
The problem is not Mr. Narendra Modi's attitude. The problem is Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. Mr. Modi is always ready to be reasonable. It's always ready to have a dialogue. But Mr. Modi is not ever going to compromise with terrorism. That is what Pakistan must understand.
Pakistan's National Security Advisor Sartaj Aziz had on Tuesday claimed that peace talks failed to take off under the new Indian government. The dialogue process has not moved forward with India since the installation of Narendra Modi's government. The resumption of dialogue will help build confidence between the two sides, Aziz had said. He also defended his country seeking international intervention on the Kashmir issue, claiming that the bilateral talks for nearly 4 decades have failed to produce a solution. The BJP said international community has already rejected the double standards of Pakistan on the long-standing matter.
देखिए इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी भी पाकिस्तान की जो ये दोगलापंथी है ना कि एक तरफ आप अमन और डायलॉग की मांग करते हैं और उसी वक्त आप बमबारी करते हैं हमारे फ्रंटियर पे, उसी वक्त आप टेररिज्म का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उसी वक्त आप टेररिज्म की धमकी देते हैं. तो इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी भी इन बातों से बहुत थक गया है. पाकिस्तान की क्रेडिबिलिटी खत्म हो गई है.
Aziz's statement comes days after Prime Minister Modi shook hands with his Pakistan counterpart Nawaz Sharif during the SAARC summit in Nepal's capital Kathmandu last week, raising hopes of resuming dialogue. Aziz on Tuesday, however, said since India called off the talks, it should now take the first move and initiate the process. India had in August withdrew from the proposed meeting between the foreign secretaries of the two neighbours after Pakistan High Commissioner Abdul Basit met Kashmiri separatist leaders despite New Delhi's strong protest. India has long opposed Pakistan's move to involve third parties in the dispute. Islamabad has been for some time trying to bring in the US, UK and even the United Nations as a negotiator in the Kashmir dispute. However, it has tasted repeated failures as international community has time and again asked Pakistan to find a solution through mutual consent with India.